Hey, thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I have 5 basic commands on Linux, so that's coming up right after this. Hey, what's going on right here? This is your boy Louis, so thank you very much for joining me right here. Okay, today I have a very small Linux tutorial where I'm going to be showing you 5 commands that are really important actually. They're beginner commands, but it's really important for you to get familiarized with the terminal and the commands and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is pretty much your whole environment for Linux right here. And then right here at the bottom left hand corner, if you click that, it's gonna show all of your applications that you have. You see you have your calculator, your browser, everything right here. So you can actually right here where it says type search, just type terminal. That's where we're gonna go ahead and start with all of our commands right here. Okay, and right here it's showing you the username, which is LG5520, which I made. Those are Louis Geek, May 5th 2020. So I don't know if you remember, but I made another video on how to install Ubuntu on the VMware, and that's when I installed it on May 5th 2020. So that's how I named it right there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look at our first command. Our first command is gonna be this one right here. Now once again, I am mentioning this right here. These are extremely basic commands. I do plan on doing more videos on Linux, which I will go from like very basic, intermediate, and then we'll go ahead and move on to more advanced. So this is going to be the first command we're going to look at today. It's going to be cal. What that's going to do is going to show your calendar. See, it shows the month, the year, and today's day right there, which today's May 15th 2020. So that's pretty cool command right there to know. It's the cal command right here. It's this one. Cal command would display the calendar for a specific month and year. So I thought I'll go ahead and show you. That's the first one right there. Okay, now we're moving on to our second command that we're going to learn today. Second command, we're still on the same path right here. We still haven't gotten anywhere else. I'll go ahead and show the way to go ahead and move on to a different path on a different video. Okay, still on the same terminal and everything. Our next command is going to be history. What that does right there, it shows all of the commands that have actually been typed in the last hour and a half, or just in general. It shows all of the commands right there. So that's command number 2. It's the history command. Okay, now we'll go ahead and move on to our third command. Our third command is going to be this one right here. ls. ls stands for list directories. These are all the directories that you have: desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos right here. These are all the folders that you have, so you can see those right there. It tells you right here on the terminal. So that's how you can see all the directories that you have, or if you were in Windows, that'll translate to all the folders that you have pretty much on your documents area and whatnot. So that's going to be command number 3, ls, list directory. Okay, great. Now we'll go ahead and move on to our fourth command that we're going to learn today. Our fourth command is going to be the mkdir. This particular command is used to create new directories. So we're going to go ahead and create one. But before we do that, we're gonna execute our ls command where it shows you all of our directories that we have. And the ones that we have right now are these: desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos. So let's go ahead and create another one using the terminal. Let's go ahead and put the command mkdir, and let's say you want to go ahead and name it hello. So right after you go ahead and enter the mkdir, you go ahead and press space, and then you enter any name that you want to go ahead and name your new directory. Then you go ahead and press enter. Now let's go ahead and check out our ls command again. And you see, there we go. That's the new. And you can see it right here too. You see that? It's right here. That's the new directory that we just created. So that's the way you create new directories using the terminal on Linux. Okay, great. Now let's go ahead and move on to our fifth command. Our fifth command, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to delete these folders. If you want to go ahead and delete any one of these folders right here, I'll go ahead and show you. So we're gonna go ahead and execute our command. See, as you can see, these are all of the directories that we have. We have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 directories. So we're gonna go ahead and delete the one that we just created. Okay, so this is the way you do that. You're gonna type rm -r, and all of the letters here on the terminal are case sensitive, so make sure that whenever you want to go ahead and delete a particular directory, you type it exactly the way you named it. If you named it with the capital letter at the beginning, you have to do just like that, otherwise it's not going to be able to get deleted. Okay, so we'll go ahead and type in rm -r, and then we go ahead and type the directory name that we want to go ahead and delete, which was the hello, the one we just created. And then after that you press enter, and then let's go ahead and name it, execute our ls command again, and then you see that you don't see that right there anymore. Let's go back in here again, and you see that you don't see the one that we created. That's the way you delete them. Alright, so that's command number 5 right there. Okay, there we go. And last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and learn the final command. Okay, so the final one is gonna be this one right here. You see how you see all of this text right here, all of these commands that we typed in our terminal. If you want to go ahead and get rid of all of that, the only thing you have to do is type clear, and then you press enter. Now you have a clean terminal. You know, that's how you get rid of all the commands, everything that was there. If you want to go ahead and start out fresh and kind of have more of a clean environment and to be able to work. Okay, so those are 6 commands that are very, very basic for beginners, but yet very, very important, because it's important to know how you can go ahead and create new directories, as well as know how to erase them as well if you want to go ahead and delete them, and you know, kind of move around a little bit and kind of see the history, as well as clear the history and list all of the directories. So okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and I will go ahead and make a new video here very soon on the next 5 or 6 commands, or probably more, on the next series of these Linux commands. Okay, so let's go ahead and shut this for now. And also another bonus one, the command for you to be able to shut down your Linux operating system right here, your Linux distro, will be this one: sudo, which stands for super user shut down now. You go ahead and press enter, then it'll ask you for your password. That's it. Okay guys, well, thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed out there, take care of yourself, and I will see you on the next video.